This video is a quick review of part number 496525 from LMC. It is this door mirror assembly. It's the same assembly for the passenger as it is for the driver's side. It comes with everything you see here, basically the mirror assembly itself. It includes little plastic pads to protect your paint. And it also includes instructions as to how to install if these mirrors were never previously installed. And it also includes hardware to include riv nuts, nut inserts, whatever you want to call those. Very similar to the factory nuts that were installed on the door. And basically they also come with the 1/4 20 body bolts. I went and actually purchased my own bolts. I wasn't super excited about those body bolts. I wanted something dressed up a little bit better. So I went and got those, what you see in the video. That's stainless. That's your preference, obviously. You can get hex head or whatever. They're readily available pretty much at any hardware store. This mirror is actually modeled after the original Type 9 mirror that was found on these trucks. This is a 1975 Ford F100. Pretty much the same mirror that can be found on any of the Ford pickups from 1973 to 1979. And that would include the Bronco as well, 1978 and 79 Bronco. Not all the trucks had these. Some of the bigger trucks actually had full-size mirrors that mounted up above the door. There's actually 9 different styles of mirror. This is my personal favorite. It just kind of goes with these trucks. But the mirror seems to be really good quality, really good condition. I'm happy with the workmanship on this mirror. We'll have to see how long it lasts without rusting, or if it rusts, or if it has any other issues. But the initial quality assessment is, I'm very pleased with it. So I highly recommend the mirror. Costs about 50 bucks. LMC does kind of get you on shipping, but in any case, I could not find anywhere else where you could find these mirrors. It was pretty much exclusively LMC. I did find, other than one example of a pair of new old stock mirrors on eBay that are similar to this, actually Ford branded, that were going for about $1,000. So I wasn't gonna go that far into this. These, for the price, these are gonna pretty much do exactly what I need them to do. So anyway, I hope this helps. Have a good one.